For this checkpoint, your instructor is going to come up with another addressing scheme, so you're going to get a lot of practice putting these addressing schemes on. But what we want to be able to do is actually have this computer ping this computer. And for that to work, both these routers need to know about these other networks. So this router knows about these two networks, these two directly connected to it. And this router is the same. It knows about these two networks. So there's actually two ways to put static routes on. You can do by forwarding through the interface, so through SC00, or else we could forward to the next IP address that we're hopping to. So we'll do one of each. In this video, we're going to do the IP address. Now you see I have a setup that's similar to my previous videos. Basically it's 2/27 networks and 1/30 network. And all these are set up so they can ping each other. Alright, so the first thing we're going to check, in order to get to this network over here, so the 192.168.1.32 network, I need to go through this router, and the address I'm going to go through is 192.168.1.66. So that's the next hop address to get to this other network. So if I go to this address, this router knows a little bit more about how to get to this network that's directly connected to it. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and go enable, config T, and now I need to put an IP route in. So IP route. If I do a question mark, I see the destination. So where do I want to go? And that's that network 192.168.1.32. If I do a question mark, I see the subnet mask. So 255.255.255.224. If I do a question mark again, I see I can do either the Ethernet or else the forwarding router's address. So that's the IP address like I told you on this end. So we're going to get to this network. So we did IP route. We put in the route that we want. We want this network. We're telling them if we go to this next address, they'll get to it. So 192.168.1.66. And then if I press enter, I can do end and then do show IP route. So I see my two connected networks, and then I see this S. So right here, it says that I can get to this network, 192.168.1.32, via the 192.168.1.66 port. So that's good. In the next video, we'll set up one using the serial interface instead, and we'll take a look at the differences.